Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. So as you can see from the title down below, today I'm going to be counting how many locks I have. So yep, let's get into it.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me.
So 135 guys, I wasn't wrong. It's always been 135. So yes guys, that's how many locks I have. So if you guys want to have an idea of how many locks you should have, if anyone is aspiring to have locks like mine, I have 135 locks, so here it is. DIY locks 135. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Chit,